Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to change your address on PayPal. So in order to change your address on PayPal, launch open the PayPal application on your mobile device or go to paypal.com on a web browser and sign in. Once you are logged into your account, go ahead and look for the profile icon at the top right corner and tap on it. After you open up your profile section, click on Personal Info and under Account Information, go to Addresses at the bottom and click on the See All button right next to Addresses. You will then be able to see your address information on the next page. In order to add a new address, tap on the Add New button. In order to change your address, go ahead and tap the Edit button right under your primary address and then enter your address information. Make sure to update it by typing it down correct. Enter your address line 1 in the first tab, enter your street address in the first text box, and also make sure to enter the name of the district, zone, and postal code. After you are done, click on the Update button and you will be able to change your address on PayPal profile. Ensure that the new address is updated on any linked services or recurring payment. This ensures your account stays accurate and your purchases are delivered correctly. So that's how you easily change your address information on PayPal. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Basics for more tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.